What is the best cold call opener? Or maybe, what should I avoid saying in my cold call opener so that I can have more conversations? I'm here to tell you that, in my opinion, it's not about the words, the phrases, and the sentences. Sure, there's some good cold call openers that you might want to use that have been tried and true for some folks, and they use it like gospel. An example of this might be the Connect and Sell breakthrough script. You ever heard of the 27 seconds? Um, Maybe it's a variation of some of Josh Braun's where we've never met before. I was hoping to help you out for a moment. Um, or shoot, a good old fashioned Townsend. Have I caught you at a bad time? There are lots of variations of call openers that either people love or people hate. And the funny thing is, no matter which ones you Google, someone's going to say, this is what you should say. It's great. There's going to be another group of people that say, oh, I don't like that. It's awful. What I tend to believe is that it's about two things. The first one is confidence. Being super confident in delivering that opener is going to make or break your ability to go from hello and continuing to actually have an open dialogue. The next thing is consistency. By having confidence in the first place, you're going to be able to deliver whatever opener you decide you want to start using. So test, find which one you're comfortable with. If you haven't found one, you can Google literally best cold call openers. There's going to be a whole list of them. Josh Braun has a list of 13 cold call openers right on his LinkedIn page. You can look that up. But pick one. Find one that you really like. Deliver that consistently with confidence. Get that confidence built up and be consistent. Then what you want to do is measure. And if you find that you're falling off, you're having conversations that don't get past that opener, well, then it's probably a good time to readjust. Um, One of the openers that I use that people absolutely despise for the majority of the beginning of my career was, "Hey, this is Ryan. How you doing today?" People despise that opener. For me, it worked for years. These days, I use something very different. "Hey, this is Ryan. You and I haven't spoken before. This is actually the first time I've reached you. Do you mind if I take a half a minute to share exactly why I called?" That's what I start my calls with today. And a couple years ago, I was delivering the Connect to Sell breakthrough script. "Hey, this is Ryan Reisert. I know I'm an interruption. Can I have 27 seconds to tell you exactly why I called?" So there's lots of variations of openers. It's about being confident in the first place and then being consistent so that you understand if you're not getting past that opener, is that a function of the words, the phrases, and sentences, or your confidence in delivering it? Or is it the actual words, phrases, and sentences? And should you be making any adjustments?